In this video, I will be showing you how to draw a given cycle of given radius to touch a cycle and also to pass through a given point. To draw a cycle, you are to use your compass to take the required radius from your ruler this way. Then you are to now draw your cycle. After drawing the cycle to the required radius, mark its center and label it. Now mark the given point. If the distance from the center of your cycle to the point is given, you are to use your ruler to ensure that you mark the correct point. Label the point. Now add the radius of the required cycle plus the radius of the given cycle. After that, adjust your compass to the value you obtain. Then place your compass on point O. Cut an arc this way. Now extend your compass to the radius of the required cycle. Then place your compass on point P. Cut an arc. Label this point. Now place your compass on point A. Then adjust your compass in such a way that the pencil is on point P. Then draw your cycle. If your construction is accurate, the cycle will pass through point P and also touch the previous cycle you draw. The drawing has been completed. You can dimension your drawing this way. I indicate the radius of my cycles and arcs using letters, but you are to indicate yours with the actual value of the radius you use. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.